Oh, you look so pretty in this. You always look pretty though, but this is beautiful. Yes, I do love Crystal and Angela.
I love
two of my favorites.
Yeah. Oh my God, Angela too. Seriously, we have two of our favorites today. Yep. You're my favorite too. Here we go on the pretty pansies, printed 3/4 sleeve top. Only ordered this year. The price will go up at the end of the day. What? The price is going to go up on the end of the day? Yes, it will. All right, you are looking at 100% cotton with the most beautiful pansies. I don't know which color I like. The black was fabulous on Crystal, I have to say. But here is lilac ice, 100% cotton, love, 26.5 to 32.5, 3/4 length sleeve. And yes, of course, we have some bling on here. Yes, of course, just a little bit. Pansies, lilac ice. Then we have sky blue, and then Crystal. I love the black. It's so vibrant with the black, right?
It really is.
All right,
the
colors.
pansies stand out
Extra,
so
small,
beautifully.
5X. Yep.
So we love a pansy. We love a 3/4 length sleeve. I know a lot of you love 100% cotton, and really with the 100% cotton, with this print, because the color of the top itself, plus the pansies, everything is printed on. Then you have that beautiful rhinestone detail that I like to say is kissed on, so nothing itchy, scratchy underneath to bother your skin. Okay, comfort, ease. You can wear this now layered under a cardigan or a denim jacket. Wear this, you know, when the weather breaks with your capris and your crop pants. Really beautiful. I like to say that the pansy is the unofficial flower of the Quacker Factory, and I'll share a story. I'll share a story.
Please.
So when Jean would fly up from Florida, and she would go to Susan's and they would work on designs together, she would want to stop at a local farmer's market or shop, and she would pick up Susan a basket of pansies to bring. Jean was so generous.
I love these stories. I'm sure they did too.
Yes. So, you know, so I made up that the pansy is the unofficial flower of the Quacker Factory.
This is why you are the brand ambassador.
You know, so, but it's a fun story, right? And it just makes us think of Jean. Of course, we wouldn't have Quacker Factory without her. And I'm honored and privileged every day to continue her legacy here at QVC, and cannot thank you enough for continuing to support us. And our design team just knocks it out of the park every season, every month, with new, fresh, fun ideas. And this pansy, and they keep it going.
Years.
Yes.
30 years of joy, whimsy, and fun.
And we absolutely need joy and whimsy in our world.
Yes. Yeah, girl, we do. Yeah.
So that print is so gorgeous, front and back, cascading down the sleeves as well. Can I walk over to Crystal?
Yes, can we? Hi, Crystal. Aw. By the way, I love the black. And you know what, Angel? Everybody loves the black option.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's the most limited, though.
But you can
fewer than 500 people.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can see that it's just, you know, really around the neckline, just focused on her face, but then little scatters of the pansies going throughout the rest of the top as you get to the bottom, and cascading down the shoulders. And if you wouldn't mind turning, my love, and then all down the back as well. I mean, the placement on this is spot on. It is really, really gorgeous, but yet it's fun and whimsical and pretty and delicate. It's so, there's so many adjectives that we could use for this top, Nancy, right?
Black is so vibrant,
Yeah.
Angel. I feel like, didn't we both kind of go, when we saw Crystal like on the monitor? I mean, it just livens up her face. And I love the contrast of, I mean, honestly, I think people love the black. They're all really pretty though, all gorgeous colors. So let's do color one more time. Here is black, but very limited. There's only 500 left, and the price will go up at the end of the day.
And
Here's
this was
black.
new this month.
Yeah. Here is black. I feel like it's also dressier in the black, right? It could go dressy. Here is the beautiful sky blue. And the sky blue, and then the lilac ice starts getting really like feminine and floral and like, hey, I'm in a pansy field. Look at Crystal run. She's so cute. I love her.
So cute.
I know.
Hey, Nance, can I do a little shout out?
Anything you want. This is your show, friend.
So my husband is working right now, and he texted me and he said,
right now?
Can you give me and
What's his name?
John, Glenn. Hi, honey. And John, a shout out. I hope you guys are watching because if you miss this, I'm going to be mad.
You can
I'm not
record
really. I'm
it
kidding.
and
I'm
then,
kidding.
like,
I'm
find
kidding.
it
Yes,
again.
we'll record it. We'll find it later. But
John
I just wanted to
and
give
Glenn.
that little
They're
shout out.
working so late.
Yes, they are.
Oh, they
I
work
know.
so
They work so hard. Yes.
right? Especially
So blessed.
because we're working really hard.
Well,
at
we're
2:30
working
in
hard
the
too,
morning, Angel. Here is the black getting limited. There's only I think less than 500 in the black. All right, 450 black.
Oh boy.
Here is the sky blue, and finally we have 550, and then lilac eyes 650. America, Angel. I like to say that because if you really think about it, we have millions of customers
Yes.
watching right now, and there's only 450